Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how you can save your Canva project into PDF format. So here you just need to open your Canva application, your phone. Oh my bad. Open the Canva application, wait until it's loaded. Right after it's loaded, you just need to open the project that you want to save into the PDF. So here I already have one, so just let's open it. And now I already got this edit for my picture. Now I just need to take a look on this side. There will be like two options. Tap into this side, then you just need to tap download and you will get this type of option. If you want to save this as a PDF, just go drop this point, and there could be a PDF option, there could be a PDF standard or PDF print. If you only want to send this file through email or any application, you can just choose this PDF standard. But if you're willing to print out this picture or this editing, go click this PDF for print. So right after that, you just need to go click download and wait until the project is automatically downloaded. That's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy, and let's meet again into other tutorial.